Come across this old light. As soon as I spotted it, I could see the glass was something special.
We're hoping that with some vinegar and some elbow grease, we might be able to get it back to sparkling new.
Oh, wow. Look at that ceiling rose and this light. It's spectacular.
To sum up, Darren said this is a very successful start for you in this series.
Punch in the air for these guys. Go Daniel and Jade, yay.
I got a call. Grandpa died today. So, at 1 o'clock, I got a call. It's all good. We knew it was coming.
I understand that the funeral's on Saturday.
Yeah.
I can organise Keith and Dan to manage your trades and even, if need be, get on a paintbrush and paint for you.
Thanks, Mahoney. Much appreciated.
No worries. No, it's all right.
The extra support from Scotty was, next level.
Oh, my God, it's so cute.
OK, so this is clearly where you put your kids.
What an amazing artwork from Graphico on the wall.
And I can just imagine a family walking around this house with the teenage kids and the teenage kids saying, Mum, Dad, I want that house.
They loved your girls' room just as much.
Oh, wow.
That would have to be one of the most beautifully styled beds I have ever seen.
That's a big call.
It is a big call, but I absolutely mean it. It's stunning.
This is a pressure cooker situation for all of us, especially for me, because I've got to manage my budget. I'm paying you good money to do it, and I'm not seeing you in that house. You know, like your boys there did a power of work today. They did a great job.
Do you want to know the truth? They doesn't really want to work in the house, right?
Ah, OK.
I'm just telling the truth. Why they don't want to stay back? They just want to go on. They doesn't want to stay a bit more to stay under hard pressure.
Jay and them don't want to work in my house. It upsets me to feel that I'm putting too much pressure on them. I'm just devo to hear that the boys don't want to work in there because they just, the communication breakdown. He just said that Jay just feels like he's under too much pressure in this house, so, yeah. I don't feel comfortable in Jay feeling like that, that's for sure. Like, I don't want him to feel like that. No, I feel pretty for that, for if Jay feels like that, but...
My boys just feel, not comfortable working in the house free. Yeah. So, yeah...
Which we thought that the other day,
yeah, so now I think it's better with just leaving them.
Christian Cole rocks up in his truck and he's got our full wraparound custom-built island bench.
Christian, that's awesome. Oh, it's just amazing. I love it. Wow. Yeah. I got a Christian Cole bench. Yay.
OK, the winner of Week 6 on the Block 2020 Kitchen Week and driving out of here with $10,000 from Ford is... Daniel and Jade.
How are you feeling?
Sick. I hate public speaking. It's like the worst thing I've ever done in my life.
Nerves.
Actually makes me feel sick. I was at the point where I was so anxious that I was crying.
Jade,
Yeah.
I've got some water for you.
It was awful. It was awful.
With yesterday, upstairs, run me through exactly what happened with...
I wasn't here, I was on challenge yesterday.
So did Keith do an inspection, or...?
Yeah, so Keith was up there 3 or 4 times looking at it all day. That's what I got informed with last night when I got home.
So I've just gotten off the phone to Keith.
Yep.
He said he was up there overseeing, but he's never done a formal inspection whatsoever.
Rightio.
That concerns me because I feel like I've been lied to.
Yeah.
Like, this is a mutual respect.
Yeah, lied to from who, Dan?
Well, you just said Keith ticked it off.
No, I didn't say Keith ticked it off. I said Keith's been up there all day yesterday.
No, the exact words were, Keith has inspected this already. So, it's a two-way trust.
Yeah, oh, well, mate, there's no issue with trust with me, with you, and if you feel I've lied to you, well, mate, that's bullshit. Absolute bullshit. Yeah.
It's no point shaking your head, mate. Like, that's how it is.
Yeah, that's fine, but you just called me a liar, mate.
Well,
I was away on a challenge all day yesterday. I got told yesterday that Keith was up there 3 or 4 times.
Yeah.
And checking it over. But as for checking it off, I don't know what a check-off is, if that's what you've got to do or whether that's what he's got to do.
Communication on your end, that must be wrong.
Yeah, he said that I'd broken his trust and all the other bullshit that he had, and I wasn't putting up with that. It was just, that's crap.
Isla saw us straight away and it was just, yeah, it was the best. The tears were flowing because it's been a long time. Yeah, it's wicked. It's the best thing ever. I have, yeah,
It's a long time coming, isn't it, gorgeous?
Yep.